A primordial puzzle. Where did dinosaurs truly come from? Our Earth, a jewel of blue, floating in the vast cosmos. For billions of years it has harbored life in astonishing variety. Among the most magnificent were the dinosaurs, giants that ruled for an age. But from where did they truly arise? This question still echoes. Dinosaurs walked this very land for over 150 million years. Their diversity was astounding, from colossal sauropods to swift, cunning predators. The traditional view is simple: they evolved here on Earth. Yet some corners of science are now whispering different thoughts. Could there be another chapter? A story far more cosmic in scale? This essay delves into a curious idea, the lost planet theory. Let us journey back. 4.5 billion years. Our Earth was young then, a turbulent, fiery sphere, then an event of cosmic proportions. A young protoplanet, they say, hurtled through the dark on a collision course with Earth. Scientists call this ancient wanderer Theia, roughly the size of Mars. It struck our nascent Earth with unimaginable force. This orbiting rubble over time coalesced. Drawn together by gravity, it formed our constant companion, the Moon. The bones of dinosaurs are like stone storybooks. They offer us glimpses into a world long vanished. Paleontologists study these fossils with immense care and dedication, searching for clues about their lives, their biology, their environment. And sometimes, just sometimes, they uncover true enigmas. In recent years, with advanced techniques, scientists have found traces of what might be ancient DNA or preserved protein structures within these fossilized remains. Some genetic sequences, if confirmed, appear somewhat anomalous. Unusual patterns, unexpected markers that don't quite fit the known tree of life. Could these be faint whispers, echoes from a distant alien past? A few bold researchers have suggested that dinosaurian genetic material might hold evidence of an off-world lineage, a different evolutionary trajectory that merged with Earth's own. The scientific community quite rightly approaches such claims with caution, yet these persistent genetic puzzles, these tantalizing molecular riddles, they invite further investigation. They beckoned us to explore every possibility, however strange. Section 4. The Cambrian Enigma: Life's Sudden Flourish from the Stars. Let us turn our gaze to another pivotal moment in Earth's deep history. The Cambrian explosion, occurring roughly 540 million years ago. This period witnessed a dramatic burst of complex multicellular life. It was life's own Big Bang, a sudden dazzling array of new animal forms appearing. Before this remarkable event, life on our planet was simpler, dominated by single-celled organisms. Then, in a geological heartbeat, the oceans began to teem with creatures of incredible complexity. What could have ignited this extraordinary evolutionary firework display? The precise triggers are still debated. Increased oxygen levels, perhaps, or changes in ocean chemistry. But could the Theia impact have played a delayed, crucial role? Section 5. Echoes from the ancient sky beings in myth and legend. Across the globe, our ancestors looked up at the heavens with awe and with a measure of fear. Their cultures are rich with stories, myths, and legends passed down through countless generations. Many of these tales speak of powerful, often terrifying beings that descended from the sky, creatures of unimaginable might. Think of the dragons of the East and the great feathered serpents of Mesoamerican lore, or the thunderbirds of Native America. These legendary sky monsters are often depicted as reptilian or bird-like, with immense power. Are these purely products of imagination? Or could they be something more? Perhaps deeply buried folk memories, distorted echoes of real events? Real encounters from a distant past? Encounters with creatures or phenomena not of this earth, witnessed by early human societies who struggled to comprehend what they'd seen and so wove them into myth. Section 6. Hidden Realms: Unseen Life in Earth's Depths and Beyond. Even today, in our modern age, our planet continues to guard many of its profound secrets, especially within its hidden realms. The deep oceans, for instance, constitute the largest habitat on Earth, yet more than 80% remains unmapped, unobserved, and largely unexplored by humankind. A vast, dark, pressurized world. From time to time, sonar systems on ships and submarines detect strange, unexplained phenomena. Massive objects moving silently through the abyssal depths faster than any known creature. Could ancient forms of life, perhaps even those with an alien heritage, persist in these crushing deeps, far removed from our sunlit surface world? And what of the world beneath our feet? The Earth's crust is riddled with vast interconnected cave systems and deep subterranean aquifers. Some scientists now seriously speculate that a deep biosphere exists, harboring untold microbial life and perhaps even more complex organisms sheltered from surface cataclysms. Could non-terrestrial life also find refuge there?